For number 3. It's a 3 now, we're putting it on. I cleaned out the things, spacebar or C for extra cores. I don't know what all that is. Cores, obviously, if you want to run different systems, I would imagine. I'm not going to touch any of that unless I read the manual, because I don't know what that is. So we go into browser. Yep. So it's 3.5, back in the browser. Look at that, got rid of all that bloody destore. Oh, Spotlight. Oh, what the now? Anyway, that is got nothing to do with. So where was that? That was Dizzy fucking. Fan side, here we are. So we changed it, see if, yeah, whatever happens. Oh yeah, it's a lot easier now. Alright. What over is there, isn't it? Yep. Should say 128, there we are, 128K. Click on that. See, I changed it, see what happens. Yeah. This is what you're meant to come up with. 128K mode. Or next, or 3 mode, I don't know. We're just gonna play it as 128K mode. And done. Yay. Look at that. That's a bit too quick. I know the settings now want to emulate the tape and all that, so anyway. Maybe press spacebar or enter. Oh, enter. Hey, sound. This is getting really, really good. I love it. I'm learning more and more about this system, and it's actually quite a powerful system, the buddy ZX Spectrum Next. It's probably port 2 sort of thing. We'll check on port 2. No, okay. Yeah, well, not working at all, but is it the keyboard then? It should be able to be run on a joystick, but okay, you are carrying nothing. Exit and don't drop. Okay. We'll have to figure that out, but yeah, if you make a mistake, change the file name. Yeah, if you think it's 48K and you don't know because it doesn't say it on there, but now I've put 128K, you know that's for the 128 system memory. Alright, that's it.